Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Healthism. Today's topic is about two of the most common and most dangerous diseases in the world and how to prepare a herbal remedy for it. So, you guys might have already guessed the diseases. Yes, these are diabetes and hypertension. These diseases are the most common and they disturb normal human life as you have to take care of what you're gonna eat. Like in diabetes, you have to stay away from sweets, while with hypertension you have to refrain from salts. As well as you cannot cure these diseases, you have to take medicine till the last breath. But with this herbal remedy you can get better and your glucose level and blood pressure will be back to normal. So, the herb useful for these diseases is dandelion. Dandelions are yellow-colored flowers. The dandelion is often found in temperate regions across the globe. While frequently considered a weed due to its pervasive nature, the dandelion holds significant value both ecologically and medicinally. It is known for its edible leaves, flowers, and roots, which have been used in traditional medicine and culinary practices for centuries. The plant is rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a valuable natural resource despite its reputation as an unwelcome garden invader. So, for the preparation of dandelion green tea, you have to follow these easy steps. 1. Take 2 to 3 dandelion flowers maximum and wash them properly until it is neat and clean. 2. Pour 1.5 glasses of water with the dandelion flowers into the utensil in which you're gonna prepare the tea. 3. Put the utensil on the stove, otherwise you cannot prepare the tea. 4. Boil this for some minutes until half a glass of water boils out and then turn off the stove. If you are a diabetes patient, then drink this green tea empty stomach and slightly warm in the morning time. If you are a hypertension patient, you can drink it anytime you want. I recommend you use some peppermints in it as it has great beneficial effects when used together. Also, don't forget to have some sugar in it if you are a hypertension patient for making it tasty. Thanks for staying till the end. Hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you guys gonna try this remedy as it is not difficult to prepare as well as it is tasty and it has no side effects like most of the medicine have. If you did enjoy the topic, then you can also check some other videos appearing on the screen. If you want to have more remedies like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want any information, mention that in the comment. See you.